It took me 2 years to finally have this thing in my hand. Today, I finally bought myself a camera.
Finally, camera in house. हंस दे कभी तो हंस दे.
भाई 2 साल लग गए इसको लेने में, बट हाँ फाइनली. Let's get back to 2021, the year I got introduced to video editing. At that time, I was editing in my phone, giving videos, fan edits, and all those stuff. But after editing for like half an hour, I felt something is missing, and that was my own video clips. फिर क्या था? I picked up the same phone in which I was editing videos and I started shooting videos. I made around 100 plus videos with this, and after coming to college, it was finally time to upgrade. So I bought this Samsung Galaxy S23 with all the money I saved while making videos. This phone will always be really close to me cause I made a whole short film with this which stood first in the competition. While I was making videos, I was also doing freelance and saving money to buy a camera. And today, after working for like 2 years continuously, here I am buying my first camera. इट फील्स रियली गुड कि अभी कुछ 6-7 महीने पहले ही हम शॉर्ट फिल्म बना रहे थे इस फ़ोन से, एंड जो भी हमने क्लिप शूट करी थी रात के टाइम की थी. सो क्लिप्स देखने के बाद आई वाज लाइक कि भाई इतने सारे ग्रेन्स आ रहे हैं, कैमरा क्यों नहीं है मेरे पास, फ़ोन से क्यों शूट कर रहे हैं. एंड आफ्टर 6 or 7 months only I finally have this thing with me. It makes me feel really great and it makes me realize कि how far I've come.